Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this beautiful 2 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the apartment is spread across 1200 square feet of built up area and has got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies. It's an G+5 structure building and the flat is located on the top floor. The apartment is facing north direction and the age of the property is under 5 years. Major financial institutions, schools and colleges, religious places, shopping centers, hospitals and availability of public transport is hardly distance from the project site. It's a semi-furnished flat with vitrified flooring. The apartment is Vastu compliant with plenty of natural light throughout the house. The owner has completed all interior work including wardrobes and your kitchen is organized and modular. So this lovely flat is located at a prime residential area, Kengeri satellite town in west part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 63 lakhs, slightly negotiable. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.